What's up, everyone? Right. Okay, so what's up, everyone? You're welcome to my channel this morning, and I was just trying to figure out some things about life this morning. I was like trying to meditate over it, and just want to share with you. Like when it comes to making it in life, I think it begins with you starting from your youthful age when you're still a youth, and the moment you escape getting everything in order within your 20s is gonna be hard for you to start doing it later in future, because you would have been filled with relationships and responsibilities, and things around you would have overwhelmed you in such a way that you will be unable to focus on yourself again. So things you should actually try to figure out within your 20s is just what I want to share with you from my own thoughts. If any one of you don't know who I am, I'm actually a fucking freaky dropout civil engineering student into the interior designing world, just trying to figure out what life has been and sharing my thoughts on the internet, just doing it for fun, like doing what excites. So the first thing I actually want you to do is to plan your life and neglect things that actually comes your way trying to stop you from making those plans to be accomplished. Now this is what I'm trying to say. When it comes to you planning your life, it is just you thinking of ways you can get whatever you want to get, but not in a bad way, but not in another way that is different from you getting whatever you want to get. So designing your life or planning your life is actually the first thing I will recommend every one of you doing, and is not gonna be a kind of something you will regret in your life doing it, because you actually did the thing everyone is not focusing on doing. And after that, I think it is time for you to start acting, which is the next thing I expect most people to do. After you design anything you want to do, after you've planned it well, the next thing is just for you to execute most of your plans. And out of 200 plans that you might have, 5 of them might work, and that is just what life will want to offer you. Life will want to offer you things based on what you carry. Like, just because you are experiencing hardship or things that are not gonna be pushing you or making you to feel energized, that doesn't mean you should stop doing whatever you're doing, or that doesn't mean you should stop planning or meeting people or trying to grow within yourself. That is just the basic of life. Life will always want to offer you a kind of a breakdown. Life will always want to offer you things that will want you to stop doing or chasing whatever you're chasing. So that is just it. Like, start doing it, start working on things you've planned, and just enjoy the process. That is the third thing. So these are the 3 things. Like, design the life you want to live, start acting it, and 3, just enjoy the process, because it's not gonna be easy, it's not gonna be fine, it's not gonna be cool, but the moment you have the spirit of perseverance and you can endure things within yourself, you feel yourself, and you want to love others, you want to care about what other people care for, you want to look at them and just want to do it. You want to you just want to do things and respect other people's feelings. You always want to do it and love yourself. So this is just the issue with you trying to do these things, like trying to enjoy the process of life. When you think of enjoying the process of life, I think I'm looking into the camera like that. When it comes to you enjoying the process of life, it is just you knowing 2 things, like perseverance and endurance. That is what I will always want to recommend to people within their 20s or at the early stage of their life. Be ready to enjoy any fucking thing that comes to your way, just because of the things you carry. So it is just because of the kind of person you are. That is why you're still experiencing this kind of a thing within you. That is why you see things trying to be hard with you. But just be ready to have the spirit of having the spirit of doing it yourself. Like, Not that you're not depending on anyone, not that you can't share these things with you, but just have it in mind that you're gonna be passing through these things within yourself. And don't look at people that are experiencing hard things and believe they are gonna get there before you. You have your own life to live and they have their own life to live. So just look at them and believe it is what life has to offer them, and just be grateful and show gratitude with the little things life offered you, and just be ready. I think it's cool like this. Just be ready to focus on yourself and move on with life. I think I have a big peeps. Like, just be ready to look at yourself and enjoy the process of life. Move with things that actually takes you to wherever you want to get to, and be ready to face any shit, because people will always want to throw shit at you. People will always want to look at you and this is just gonna be making you to feel bad. But just know that I'm here with you. Just drop your comment, drop your likes, drop anything you want to drop, share this video and give it a thumbs up, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, just with my ranting. So I want you guys to please subscribe to the Dropout Student channel, because we're just gonna be ranting here and posting random videos on YouTube just to share our thought with you. And I'm gonna be seeing you next time, like not next year, next time, and I believe it's gonna be now. So just make sure you're subscribing to the channel and do anything that excites you, but care about other people's feelings before you do anything that excites you. So that is the shit. So get.